Hey guys, today in this video we will talk about cold, and this is winter season. And now I can't take breath with cold. So it's a big problem for me, and you know that this is a winter season and most of the people face this problem in the same way. The way I speak in this video is that when you face this kind of cold, cough, or fever, so now your friends say, what about you? Or what's your situation? You can say that I have a cold, I have a cough, I have a fever. Or you can say that I suffer from cold, I suffer from cough, I suffer from fever, and I can't take breath in my nostril. So today in this video we will talk about this three diseases. First of all is cold, and second cough, and third fever. Now I'm sitting in my father's stall because this stall drive our life, and this is my day shift in this shop because my father is going in a festival, and that's why I organize this shop in today's life, right? Well, as a English student or English speaker, while trying to speak in English, you have to keep patience. Speak slowly but confidently, even if you are make mistake. Right now, I speak in front of my camera, and behind the camera, there is a street, there is a road, and in this road, some people are coming and going. Even you listen the noise of this road. Some people are looking me that what he was doing, what he has done in his stall. But no worry. I just try to speak in English. I just try to explain myself and show myself in front of this camera. So here you can see that this is a bucket, like a vertical. I think it's a standing with vertical size, and here are lots of shop like coconut well or different shop, and here potata or brush or some potata biscuit. So these are very helpful, these are very beneficial for our health, for being fit and fight in everyday's life. And I think you every day eat it, like even if you are going in school, even if you go in college, then when you take a break, when you get released, you think that yes, it's time to take something or it's time to eat something, and in this time you eat this kind of, I think, a potato biscuit or Lexus biscuit. So these are very beneficial, these are very candid for our good health. So actually, I'm sitting in the shop, and some girls or boys are going and coming because right now they finished their exam, and that's why they are just going frequently and adequately. So I hope you understand the full video. And sometimes I just stop speaking, is that I get shame, but no worry about that. Getting shame is it just it's just a part and parcel of our life. It's just a temporary, it's not as stable. So think about your passion, your mission. Today you speak little bit, by little, even if you practice day by day, then one day it gonna change your life. And one day how you practice your English was benefit for you, Is that beneficial for you? Is that affable for you? Then you ask yourself this kind of question that truly, commonly, or particularly trigger your head, trigger your mind that yes, it gonna change my life. Is it that right way? It was a right way for me. So try it, build it, speaking it, and love you everyone. That's all from me.